touch
file,
touch file, cat,
vi command,
vi,
Hmm.
command mode, insert mode, execution mode.
Hmm. So we are having three modes, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we discussed yesterday. So in the commands, what we discussed basic commands. Guys, what we discussed in the basic commands? PWD. What is
PW,
PWD?
present
Present
working directory.
directory. CD. Change
Change directory.
directory. CD hyphen. CD hyphen. It will come to last used directory. So CD hyphen. What is CD, guys? Just if you execute the CD, change directory. Okay. CD space directory name. So if you execute the CD space directory name, it will go to the whatever you selected the directory. Okay. So CD is nothing but a change directory. But if you execute the CD command, so it will come to the login directory. It will come to the you directly to that login directory. CD pwd cd hyphen cd directory and cd space dot dot means, guys, tell me. It will
To
come to one step back,
back.
right? CD dot dot slash dot dot.
It will come to
Hmm.
two step,
Yes, very good. It will come to
two
two
steps, steps.
two steps back. CD dot dot slash dot dot slash dot dot. It will come to
Three.
three steps. Okay,
Yes.
three steps back. Prime. So this is
yes,
nothing but a CD
yes, sir.
command. And mkdir. Mkdir directory name.
Yeah.
It will
Create
create the directory.
directory name.
It will create the directory. Okay.
Yes,
So it
sir.
will create the directory mkdir. Uname hyphen r. What is this? To know the
To know the kernel.
Kernel.
kernel version. Uname hyphen a. It will display all the info related to kernel version. Kernel version, which OS is installed, which flavor, which OS is installed, and architecture like 80 32 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. 64-bit architecture it will display. Okay. So how do you know? So which OS is installed on this mission? Cat slash etc red hat hyphen release, right? Red hat hyphen release. So it will it is hosted for only Oracle, CentOS, Oracle, Red Hat, Red Hat, CentOS, Fedora, and Amazon Linux. Amazon Linux. Okay. So cat slash etc OS hyphen release. So OS hyphen release, it will display any OS info, right? This is nothing but a cat. cat mkdir cd. So ls ls is nothing but a list of files and directories. It will display the list of files and directories, right? But we don't know if it is a directory or a file. How do you check ls ll? Ll is nothing but a long list. It will display the it will display all information. It will display all information, right? The permissions, so who is the owner and when it was created, what is the file size, everything will be showed in the ls ll, or you can use ls hyphen lrt. You can use ls hyphen lrt also. Hyphen so options. So what this is? Syntax is ls hyphen options directory or a file. Directory or a file. So the options will be ls-lrt, ls-l, ls-ld. These all are the options. Okay. This is ls, cat, uname, mkdir, cd. Right. The next what commands we discussed? We discussed about the text processing tools. So what are the text processing tools, guys? Touch, cat, vi. So vi having how many modes?
Remotes.
Extended mode, so insert mode and execution.
Execution.
Sorry, command mode, right? First one. Command mode, insert mode,
Execution.
execution mode, or extended mode. Okay. So so what these are in the command mode? So what are the options we have? How we can do it? So we can delete the line, we can copy the lines, we can copy paste the lines, right? Insert mode, so we can edit, we can insert the data, we can modify data. Execution mode, we can save the data. Okay. So cat is nothing but to read the file, to read the content of the file. Okay. And so if you use the cat, it will display, for example, I have a file which contains 100 pages, which contains 100 pages. So if you use the cat slash etc cat file name, what it will display? It will display the last page of the last page of the content. Right, last page, it will display the last page of the content. Cat file name, it will display the last page of the content, right? I don't want to, so I want to see the first 10 lines. I want to see the first 20 lines, 10 lines, or 5 lines. So I want to see the first 20 lines, first 10 lines, first 5 lines, or first 1 line of the page. Okay, how you can show it? By using head command.
Head.
Head is the, it will display
First 10 line.
first
10
10
line.
lines, right? And I want to see the last 10 lines. What is the command, guys? Tail
Tail.
command. It will display, last 10 lines. Okay. So and so what is that, guys? Grep command. What is that grep? I want to I want to search the I want to search the particular word from the given document. Okay, given document, given document or a file. So I want to search the, how you can search it? So cat slash etc grep hyphen I is nothing but a change to error. I am searching error in the which file, guys? Slash etc slash where log messages. In the messages file, so we need to search the error. We need to search the error. If any error is comes, right, it will display here. It will display here. So my messages having 100 pages. I don't want to display 100 pages. I want to check just to display wherever the error line is there. In that line, we'll display it in the screen. Guys, understood? This is nothing but a grep command. Okay. And so I want to see the page line by line or page by page. I want to see the content page by page or line by line. So how you can see it, guys? Page by page or line by line. If you use less or more file name, right? So in the less more, we can display the page by page or line by line. Okay. If you press spacebar in the keyboard, it will display the data content page by page, right? If you press spacebar in the keyboard, it will display the content page by page. Or if you press the enter button, it will display the data line by line. Guys, understood? So what about less more? So now you understood the less more grappo tile header. So vi touch cat uname cd ls. Now you understood, guys? These are the
Yes, sir.
basic
Yes, sir.
commands. These are the basic commands. Now guys, I paste in the chat. Okay. So I will show you that content page by page, spacebar, and that header tail. So what is that? My Oracle virtual box. I need to start my guys. So don't stop by clicking the close button. Just stop by using the commands init 0. Okay. The command is init 0, guys. So once you done the init 0, it will shut down your mission. Then you can close the Oracle virtual box. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What is the IP address, guys? 123. 192.168.56.123. Guys, how you can change the settings? I want to change the font size. How you can change the font size? Go to the
Change setting.
change settings. then click the appearance, then click the change, then click the font size. Okay, then click the font size. Guys, now you understood? Root, shit, red hat. So this is duplicate session. I'm taking the duplicate session and I'm closing this session because of I used instead of root, I used the root red hat. Okay, so root red hat. Yeah, what is that, guys? Commands head var log messages. So what it displays, guys? If you display by using cat /etc class var log messages, this is the absolute path, guys. So you see only how many pages we have? We have number of pages, but it's showing only the last page. I don't want to see this last page. I want to see the first 10 lines. It will automatically display first 10 lines by using head command. I want a first 5 lines, head-5. So it first 5 lines. I want to see the first 2 lines. Head-2 first 2 lines. Right? I want to see the last 10 lines. What is the command, guys? Tail varlog maze. It will display the last 10 lines. I want to display the last 20 lines. Okay. So tail -f 5. You say, guys. So tail -20, it will close the prompt, and it will display the data, right? Tail -f is -f 5 var log messages. Okay. Okay. So you see, guys, the cursor is in exited from the shell. No, because of so it is displaying. It is continuously displaying, continuously writing the code, right? So once you write the code, so it will display the other line number, Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, tail completed grep -i error /varlog messages. So you see, guys, it will display the whatever the error, right? Error message. But which word you searched? You searched in the just a small error. If you use the -i, it is a case sensitive. It will display if it is a small error, or it will display if it is a capital error, or if it is display the a combination of both small and capital letters. If you see here, if I execute the without -i, yes, see, guys, is there any errors? There is no error keyword search in the because of here grep error is nothing but it will search only the small case letter. But small case letters, is there any errors? There is no errors in the small case letters. In which case letters the error is available? Capital letters. So if you provide the -i, if you provide the -i, it's a case sensitive. It will display the if it is a small error, if it is a capital error, if it is a combination of both small and capital. Okay, guys, understood? Yeah. Now I want to display the data or content page by page or line by line. How you can see /less/var log messages. You see, guys. You see? So this is the page. This is the first page. If you press the second page, fourth page, fifth page, sixth page, seventh page, eighth page, ninth page, 10th page, 11th page, 12th page. Anyways, I want to see it in the line by line. Press enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is scrolling one by one, one by one, one by one, right? If you press one, if you press
Sir,
the
to
space bar,
see page by page, what should we press, sir?
press the space bar in the keyboard.
Space bar.
So if you want to see the line by line, you can use the enter keyword in the keyboard. Okay, Q quit, more, var log, messages. Both commands are same, but here in the below, you see there is a percentage. There is a percentage. You see, if you press the space bar, it will display the place by page and it will show the percentage also. If you display enter, right? So enter is if you press enter, it will display one by one. So the what is the percent of the content is completed? 94%, 95%, 98, 100%. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Less or more?
More.
Yeah. And the remaining commands. So the other commands are what are the commands? Copy command, move command, remove command. So copy command is nothing but a copy command is nothing but a to copy the file or directory from one location to another location. Okay. So it will display the one location to another location and it will not delete the original file. The copy of file will only created. The next one is move command. Move command will display in two ways. What is that? Rename the command, rename the file or directory, and move the file or directory from one location to another location, and move the hide and unhide unhide the file. What is that, guys? Move file, directory, move file, or move the file name. Move in is nothing but a rename, guys. Yeah. So move is nothing but a rename the file or directory. Move file or directory. Move is nothing but a so we can move the file from one location to another location and move hide. So unhide the files. Okay. So remove command. Remove command is nothing but a delete command. Delete command. Move command is not remove command is nothing but a delete command. So what is that command name, guys? RM options. So delete RM. Name of the name of the organization. Guys, delete the command. Delete the command. So what is that? Syntax is RM command name. So with the so if you know that if you use the RM, it will not display the directories. RM hyphen R directory RF file name. It will remove the file. RM hyphen RF forcefully remove the directory dir or file name. Okay. So rm delete, rm options, copy also. Copy also we have a options. What are the copy options? If you want to copy the directories, copy hyphen or recursive and the directory source code to so hyphen or is the source code to copy the directory data, to copy the directories data. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will show you practically.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, guys, how you can copy the file. So what is the file is there? Anaconda.case.cfg file. Copy anaconda.cfg file to tempo tmp tempo ls. Anaconda file is there, but if you go to the temp file, yeah, anaconda.kfg also there. The original file will in the same location, but the copy file will be moved it. So I want to create a new name uh, for that file. So for example, copy anaconda, right? Slash temp anaconda kfc anaconda kfc dot cfg. Okay, so it will copy a name called as a anaconda kfc.cfg, but what is the original file? Original file will be anaconda.ks.cfg. So we have a cloning of that copy file, either copy or directory. Okay. So and move command. Move is nothing but we can rename the file and hide the file and hide the file and what is that, guys? Moving, renaming the file. Rename, move, hide, unhide. So I want to, what is that? Anaconda dot move anaconda.cfg to do slash opt. Directly it will move from directly that anaconda.cfg to here. So next move bluejtech.txt to opt. It will directly move to the opt text. Okay. The mm, Bluejtech ಇದು move. This is move, right? Moving file or renaming file. Move bluejtech bluejtech.txt. It's moved. Cd opt ls move bluejtech.com to new new course dot txt. Okay. So it is nothing but a moving a file from Bluejay technology. So new user txt, right? New user txt. I want to I want to hide and hide. Now you understood, right? Move. Yeah. So move delete to rm, right? Rm is nothing but a copy. If you want to copy the directory, right? What are the directories? mkdir re directory. ls copy hyphen r recursively hurry to hurry opt. Omitting the file hyphen or yeah, the same file is there. Okay, so this is nothing but a copy recursive. If you want to Copy the directory, definitely you need to use hyphen R. You need to use the hyphen R. Copy. Next to remove. Remove, what is the command? RM. RF is nothing but a recursive forcefully. RF is nothing but a recursive forcefully. So what is that? RE. Yeah, you see guys, RE account, RE directory is removed. RM hyphen RM new course txt. Yeah, it is removing regular empty file in user txt. No, by using rm, right? So we can copy the file from here to here. So delete is nothing but a to delete the file or to delete the file or to delete the mm, directory. Outlook, Varlakshmi, Kitty, Nurgus. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. RM. What is that? RM is nothing but a remove the file or directory. So if you want to remove the directory, right, you need to use the rm-r. rm-r. Okay, guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, head text processing tools. It display top 10 lines from the given document. Header, tail. So let's the read to read the documents page by page or line by line to see the corresponding then node modifications. Enter space bar. Less, more, pipe. Copy. Yeah. Copy and move process. Copy source name, destination name. Copy option, source and destination name. Hyphen R is nothing but a recursive to copy a directory. Hyphen V is nothing but a verbose output. P is nothing but a properties. So Anaconda. So same file name with a different file name created. Copy Anaconda is the same file will move to copy to the temp directory. So anaconda.cfg var tmp 1.cag created. CP documents, var documents. CP-R documents where TMP. So CD where TMP. CP announce dot where log. CP-RU documents dot where. So move command. So move command will start from move source destination. Move hari.txt, hari1.txt. So this is the renaming. What is hide? Hide is nothing but a before destination we need to put the key dot symbol. That is nothing but a hiding. So hide nunchi hide to unhide. How you can do it? Anaconda.cfg to kfs.cfg. Move from move index.html to main.html. So move music songs, mute dot songs dot music, remove. It is for removing the file or directory rm hari dot txt, but there is no asking you for delete tonight rm hyphen rf hari. So syntax rm hyphen r directory rm hyphen rf. So it will delete forcefully. If you want to remove the multiple directories, RMF and RF, directory 1, directory 2, directory 3. So RMF and RF, RE, Yamini, Red Hat. These all are the text processing tools, guys. So how you can check the command prompt to execute the semicolon, execute the multiple commands at that time. So you will get it. Okay. Hash slash cat ssh lsc cat ls cat sh cat copy. So and r. Okay, guys, understood? So tomorrow we'll discuss disk partition or user administration, guys. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.